Hi there, Sue Stapp here today. I am here to share with you the February Paper Pumpkin. And Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription that you can sign up for. And this year we're celebrating our 30th anniversary. Great company, been around for 30 years. And they do that by giving you great quality merchandise. This one is called Wildflower Wishes. And again, it's February of 2018. And it comes in this great reusable box. I use these for everything. They're nice and sturdy. Let me cut this open. I haven't opened this yet. I like to share my reveals with you whenever I'm doing this. So I will close that up. And the box comes just like this. Now, Stampin' Up's been around for 30 years, but Paper Pumpkin's been around for 5 years. So there's a 5-year celebration. And in March, the Paper Pumpkin, I hear there's going to be a free gift. So if you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, now's a great time to start subscribing. Excuse me. This is how it comes, and each month you get a special stamp set. This one says celebrate, thank you, friend, has some cute little flowers and some other words, hello sweet friend, that'd be cute. And there's, let's see what else is in here. Oh, also each month you get what's called a Stampin' Spot. And the Stampin' Spot is our little mini stamp pads, and they come in all the colors in the Paper Pumpkin only. You can't purchase them yet in the catalog, but I hear that that's going to be coming soon. So this one's called Garden Green, and you can use this. I like to keep these in my bag for whenever I'm on the go and I want to do some stamping. So this month is Garden Green, and then this is our packet. Let me set this box out of the way, and you can see it folds right back down in there. Okay, so this is what, oh, aren't those cute? I love it. The set each month comes complete right down to the glue. They have little glue dots here that we'll be using, and that will make your job much easier. Let's get this open. I'm having a hard time here. Fingers aren't working good today. Go figure. Okay, so we're gonna pop this open. It comes all in a nice plastic sleeve, so it's well protected. And all of your pieces are gonna come to you in really good shape. And I'm gonna take that off. And in each kit, there are complete instructions and a detailed list of the contents. So this is what we're doing with the Paper Pumpkin this month, February 2018. And in this kit, it says that we have our Wildflower Wishes Photo Polymer Stamp Set. Photopolymer is the clear stamp sets that you can see through. And we have our clear mount, which are red rubber stamps that you mount on a clear acrylic block, and then we have our wood mount stamps. And most of the sets come in all three. At least you get 2 options for the most part. We got our Garden Green Classic Stampin' Spot. There's 9 card bases and 9 printed envelopes. There's 9 printed cardstock pieces and 4 sheets of cardstock stickers. There's 3 sheets of die cut elements, 2 sheets of vellum die cuts. There's 9 yards of linen thread. I love this linen thread. It's so beautiful. And then there's white pearls, and these are our little pearls. These are our little glue dots. There's 200 of those. And then these are our dimensionals, our 3D adhesive tabs. And there's 60 of those. So let's see what we have here. The instructions, looks like this is going to be a nice easy one. And it goes through step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. And I'd like to share with you these parts, and we can kind of take a look at how they're going to look when they get put together. Let's move the scissors out of the way for now. These are our envelopes, And look at the beautiful envelopes. They come already printed with some beautiful flowers. Love spring. Everything's starting to pop out, and the color is amazing on some of these plants. So that's the envelopes. There was 9 of those, and we'll set our glue aside. It looks like our bases look like crumb cake, and they are white on the inside. They'd be folded like so. And again, you're going to get 9 of those. And then there are some pieces here. Oops, I got a little glue dot on my finger. These have patterns on them, and you can see there's some diagonal stripes and some small flowers and diamond-shaped prints. So there's different colored, different prints. These are those beautiful colors again, and these are just pop out, and you can use them on your cards. So those would go like so. And then these are the narrow ones. There's also a wider one. And again, this is the same flowers that you have on the envelope, so everything coordinates. Nice. That's one of Stampin' Up's specialty, is doing items that color coordinate. And then these look like more dies. And actually, these have a sticker backing. So they're already come glued. And I noticed that on one of the ones they took the word out, and they had put this on so that the flowers were peeking through. Isn't that pretty? Now there's a daisy here, and there's some, I don't know what that might be. It looks like freesia almost. But you can see you get lots of floral imprints on here. And these are all have adhesive already on them. So that makes it really easy. This is the vellum dies that have the leaf pattern on it. And those would come off of the vellum sheets here. And sometimes you can use the vellum that's left over as a stencil and create some beautiful backgrounds. And these just pop right out. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me see if I can get there you go. See how the vellum goes on there? And here's the dies that would go on the long strips of the floral. And that would be here. And it says celebrate. So same like we did with the friend, where the flowers peep through. And then you also have the letters that you can use on a card too. So a lot of great tools to work with. Again, these are the little pearls to put on as an accent. And this is that linen thread that I said I love so much. And it has a beautiful sheen to it. And you can wrap it around multiple times if you want. I like making double bows with this. It makes a really nice bow if you use 2 strands of the linen thread. So that's the paper pumpkin this month. I'm going to get busy and do some creating, and I will come back soon and share with you some of the items that I've made with these particular parts, not necessarily as specific and detailed as Stampin' Up's set here. I like to take it and make it my own, and I do that by using various parts of it in other ways. So you can use the paper, the envelopes. These could be cut out, different dimensions. You can use them with your punches, and it gives you a lot of creativity. So if you're interested in paper pumpkin, please respond to my YouTube video.